Hello everyone, today we have Varka with us from University of West London. She takes care of admissions for UK for this particular university, and today we had a great session with her, but I particularly want to ask her about this university programs quite quickly.
सबसे पहले thank you so much for inviting me here. Now coming back to why University of West London, because usually when parents come for counseling, their first question is the university based? Is it in London, inside London, outside London? How much is the community? How much is the accessibility of the university? So when it comes to University of West London, we are best in terms of location because we are just 30 minutes away from central London. So we are right inside the London. Apart from that, we have brilliant campuses with 24 hours library, great accommodations. And apart from these two things, the third thing what parents usually worry about is the careers, the job prospects of the students. So we have employability ratio of 98% for our students. Everyone is going to get the placement. Yes. Apart from that, the most important thing is हम सिर्फ एडमिशन से पहले नहीं, एडमिशन के दौरान नहीं, इनफैक्ट आफ्टर देयर स्टडीज ऑल्सो वी हेल्प. यूजुअली व्हाट हैपेंस इज 4-5 साल आपकी पढ़ाई को हो चुके हैं, आपके पास जॉब थी फिर आपकी चली गई, नो यू नॉट गेटिंग अ जॉब अगेन. सो इट वुड बी यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ वेस्ट लंडन career placement cells where you will come and connect to, and they'll help you find the job. They get the responsibility of lifetime jobs till you are on a valid visa status.
In fact, there are many universities who don't even take care of your jobs.
Yes.
They don't have placement. ऐसा
Yes.
कल्चर नहीं है कि आपको इंडिया में है career counselors and job placement. We take it as kind of USP की हम placements कराते हैं, but
Correct.
it is not in Western countries.
Apart from that, next question आता है बच्चा कोर्स कौन सा करे. So sometimes बच्चे को बिजनेस जाना होता है, बिजनेस कोर्स नहीं मिलता है. Sometimes बच्चे को मे बी फैशन डिजाइनिंग जाना है, वो नहीं मिलता है. मे बी इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग जाना. We have everything. We have more than 500. It's a platter of everything where you get a course of your choice. Maybe if you want to go for pharmacy, if you want to go for nursing, if you want to go for healthcare, if you want to go for engineering, then business, then management, then creative arts, then interior designing, then music, then dance, then culinary. 8 major departments we have which are related to media, music, culinary, hospitality, engineering, IT, nursing, mid-care, and so on.
So everything is.
Yes. Apart from that, being in the London, we are not very expensive. Minimum range of programs starts from £13,000, ends at £16,000. That's the maximum fees we have.
Is it after scholarship or?
After scholarship.
So coming to the fee, how much they need to pay to get a cash?
To get a cash, the minimum deposit we require is 10,000. But since our fees is £13,000,
So if they pay.
they can pay the full fee because it's hardly £2,250 which is left, which can give them a benefit of 80,000 rupees almost. Indian rupees I'm talking about. So obviously a student would say I would prefer that.
Oh.
So that's how it is.
And how to get admission? What is the criteria on UG and PG level?
See, we give admission to each and every student. We don't say no to any student. We give admission as low as 38% to a student to 65-75%. We do not have MOI, definitely, but then we have English waiver. We have English waiver for CBSE board, AP, Telangana board. We do not have a waiver for Punjab, Haryana board. Apart from that, अगर पंजाब हरियाणा बोर्ड पे waiver नहीं मिल रहा है, then we accept PTE scores as low as 51, not less than 51 for bachelors, 58 not less than 51 for master, IELTS 6 not less than 5.5 for bachelors, 6.5 not less than 5.5 for masters.
And what about Duolingo test? Is this accepted?
Yes, we accept Duolingo.
And what about percentage? Percentage you said.
Percent-
Even on master's level?
Even on master's level 38% वाले बच्चे के लिए भी हमारे पास मतलब हम किसी बच्चे को मना ही नहीं करता. हम फ्रेशर को भी पढ़ाई करा सकते हैं, हम 20 साल एक्सपीरियंस को भी पढ़ाई करा सकते हैं. We accept gap up to 20 years.
That's also great. So that's also one constraint in
Yes.
UK कि 7 years का gap, 8 years
नहीं
का
नहीं
gap,
हम
10 years का gap.
हमको 15-20 साल का भी लेकिन एक्सप्लेनेबल गैप होना चाहिए.
And is there any interview to get the final admission?
No, before we have interview after receiving the conditional offer.
So initially we are going to get the offer letter.
Conditional offer letter. Then
Then-
you have your deposit 250. Then you have your
250, is it refundable or not?
non-refundable. But then we have WhatsApp video call interview taken by an Indian team, which is going to be easy. उसके बाद you get an unconditional offer. Then you have to pay 10,000 deposit,
Or
and then you
30,
have to apply for cash.
How much time it takes to get the offer letter?
3 working days,
3 working
72 hours.
Any other requirement or thing you want to share?
Well, no, I would just say that if you want to study in one of the best universities in London, we have shared a university campus video with Sir.
Yeah.
Please
I
share
heard.
that video with your interested students, and I'm sure once they'll see the campus, they won't
You
say
shared,
anything
you
apart
shared
from
that
that.
it's 500 acres.
Yes.
So it's a really big campus.
Yes. So once you share that video, I am sure no student would say, I don't want to go to University of London.
Sure. So if someone wants to apply, अगर आपको किसी को भी apply करना है, I'll be happy to take care of your case, no matter how much gap is there in UK as well. And in fact, even if you are married, we can take care of your case in that scenario as well. Even if you are married, you can go for Master of Research program, and we can help you in that process as well. If you are not married, तो फिर बाकी जो program है UG level पे, PG level पे, you can go for that. If you want to apply with me, you can ping me on my WhatsApp number, and we'll be happy to take care of it. Thank you so much, Bhavya,
Thank you
for
so much.
insightful session, and
Thanks so
that
much.
session as well, and now this session as well.
Thank you so much.